Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Blessed Applesauce here to bless y'all with another video. And today, this is gonna be like a really impromptu type video because I just finished trading, but I wanted to highlight some things in my trading. I want to show y'all now. So I want to explain the difference between limit orders and market orders, and I'm gonna explain exactly why I'm never going to use a market order ever again in my life, ever again in my trading career. It's not happening. Today, I was absolutely killed in the market. Here are my trades right here. Absolutely killed in the market with the market order. So if any of y'all don't understand exactly what a market order is, a market order is an order that puts you in the market basically wherever. It's supposed to put you in at the market price, but it has the ability to put you in anywhere. 99 times out of 100, it's going to put you in at the market price, because that's why it's called a market order. But it has the ability to put you in entries where it's not at the market price, and that's what happened to me today. With a limit order, for example, it puts you in at a specified price. I bounce between limit order and market order. The limit order is a little bit slower to go in because it's at a specified price versus the market order, which just automatically goes in. But I'm done. I'm not using that mess again, never again. And I'm about to show y'all exactly why. So the trades I took today was on this company called ENT. It was up big this morning, and I was looking for, you can see right here, I was looking for a dip buy around the 680 level, and I believe I bought it around the 680 level. And I was looking to sell. You can see where I have the sell. I was looking to sell around $7, which I did, but as you can see, the entry and the exit are at the same spot. So it top ticked me at $7, and I sold it basically $7. So that was like a null and void trade, and that was because I had a market order there. It completely messed up my entry. And the same thing, you can see here, the trades, the same thing happened around this level at this red. You see that red right there? So the entry shows I got in at 887. You can see right here, let me move my mouse over there. You can see 887 was my entry and 559 was my exit. And I'm trying to figure out why it did that, because I was looking back over my trades and trying to look, did this thing even touch 560? And I was looking back at it, and it never even hit, because I record all of my my trades, and it never even hit 560. 560 never even popped up on the tape or the level 2. It was all the way up at $9, and it exited me at 559. And I absolutely got killed on both of these trades. Not the first one too bad, because it was the same entry and exit. I just paid commissions, which was kind of crazy. But this one messed me up pretty bad. I was kind of upset about that. I ended the day with a small green win, but it could have been a lot better if I were able to get in and out like I was planning to do, the way I was preparing to trade this stock, but it didn't work. So that is my experience with market orders. I will never be using them again. They're absolutely garbage, trash. I recommend not to use market orders either, because it puts you in a position where you can lose a lot of money, because you're allowing the market makers to put you wherever. And as you can see here, 560 didn't even pop up, and I'm out at 859 did not pop up, yet I got out at 859. So my recommendation to you: never use market orders. You can lose market orders. You can lose a lot of money just trading with market orders. It's absolutely garbage. But yeah, I might put a video out explaining exactly how to create a limit order that you can kind of fluctuate with. I might do that. Let me know down in the comments if you want that. But this is just a quick video explaining my experience with market orders and why I will never be using them again. The worst orders you can ever use. This market, gone. It's gone. Never again will I be using a route market. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Hopefully y'all learned something from this, and we're able to get some knowledge based on my personal experience with market orders. Worst orders ever. But that's gonna wrap it up. It's been your boy Blessed applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one, man, here on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.